Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to check RPM and CPM in YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want to understand your earnings better and see how much advertisers are paying, this is one of the most important analytics sections. First, open YouTube in your browser and sign in to your account. Then click your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. Once inside the dashboard, click the Analytics tab from the left side menu. This is where all your performance data is stored. Now click on the Revenue tab inside Analytics. This is where you'll find CPM and RPM data. CPM stands for cost per mille. It shows how much advertisers are paying for 1,000 ad impressions on your videos. RPM stands for revenue per mille. This shows how much you actually earn per 1,000 views after YouTube's share. At the top of the Revenue tab, you'll see your channel RPM, which gives you a quick overview of your overall earnings efficiency. You can also click on individual videos to see CPM and RPM for each one separately. Use the date filter to compare RPM and CPM over different time periods, like last 7 days or last month. And higher CPM doesn't always mean higher earnings. RPM matters more because it reflects your real income. So that's how to check RPM and CPM in YouTube Studio in 2026. Understanding these numbers helps you grow a more profitable channel over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.